guys, I am back again and today I'm going to be showing you a few different ways on how I style my hair with a headband, and this was one of the looks I created. Without further ado, let's get on with it. All you're going to need to recreate this look is some form of a bandana or material. So I've got this, also have this and something longer, so there's pretty much like a scarf that I just kind of tie in a certain way to for it to work. But I'm going to use this because it's nice and bright and you can see what's happening. I just fold it in a triangle and this is what it should look like, and I will start off this end because you want it to be inside rather than sticking out when you're wrapping it around your head, and you just fold it. I do it quite thick because I want the band to show. I want it to be quite wide on my head, and yeah, this is how it looks, and then you can see more of the pattern as well. Cool. So the first style I'm going to show you is just how I wear it with my hair open. I usually have a middle parting. There is times where I wear it to the side as well, but I think it looks nicer when it's with a middle parting. You simply just place it on the back of your head like so, and it is going to get messy, but don't worry, we can fix it. And I kind of like wearing it slightly messy, but basically cross it over like this, and rather than keeping it this way, you just kind of go against it, and you pull it as tight as you can, and then you tuck it in at the top here, and you can either tuck it at the bottom, but I'm just going to do it here because it's convenient. And that's that part done. And then you want to just kind of fix whatever's looking astray. This part is quite fiddly and it might undo itself, but that's fine. Patience is virtue. So the next one I'm going to do will be the one where I had my hair tied up, but I had a side parting and I think preferred it with a side parting as well. So here you go. Just going to tie up my hair, and I left a few strands out so that it'll hang loose. You pretty much do the same, except this time it just goes under the ponytail, then tie it again like so, tighten it and tuck it in. I think it actually works better when you have greasy hair. And there you go, simple as. I have just gone back to my middle parting and I'm going to do a low bun, a really messy low bun. And it's really easy to do that with short hair. There we go, and I'm going to pull out a few strands from the front. There we go, sorry if I keep looking that way, there's a mirror there. Cool. That looks pretty decent. And then this time we're gonna put it this way and just tie out the back. And you did right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone and missing someone. The next two will be with curly hair, so let me quickly go and comb my hair. Next up, I'm going to do a half updo and tie the bandana around the updos. Like before, I'm going to leave a few strands out. Tie up for this half. So all I'm going to do is wrap this around the hair that we've already tied up. So I'm going to flip it, place it here, and then make sure these spots are even, and then tie it up. How cute. Isn't that cute? I think it is. And it gives it a little bit of volume anyway. Top, and yeah. Just think it's really nice and summery looking. I've just let my hair loose, and yeah, my curls are dropping. Unfortunately, my hair is really crappy at holding curls, but what I'm going to do is basically do a side parting and just tie it up really loosely, leaving the front out actually. That looks nice. It's very loose, just like that. And this is actually something that I prefer on longer hair, just because it looks nicer with a longer ponytail. And I'm just going to do the same thing again, tying it up, but I'm keeping it very loose, so towards the end. There you go. I hope you guys enjoyed all those styles. Let me know which one was your favourite, and also make sure to like and subscribe to my channel so you can see more from me. And that's it from me for today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!